These are the 36 count acrylic marker set by Shuttle Art. It comes in this compact little box, and with it you get some added extras. You actually get a few coloring pages. They come on a nice thick, I don't know if this is watercolor paper or, but it's a thicker paper so that you can test out the markers. It comes with an instruction sheet that gives you a comparison of this marker compared to other markers. And it also comes with a color swatch sheet so that you can see how the colors look on the actual paper. So I thought that was a nice added touch. But the really nice extra is this cute little carrying case that it comes with. Isn't this adorable? I love it. I love it. Before we even get to the markers and how well they write, I mean, like, this is perfect because you have all of your markers all in one place. You can see exactly what you're working with. You don't have to go digging through any boxes or containers or anything. This clear container is perfect because I can see all the colors that I have from any angle. The carrying case is perfect if I want to keep it neatly on my desk at home or if I want to take it on the go. This is perfect. It's a little size. It's really cute. And I'm going to show you in a minute how well they write because I was really impressed by that as well. But this container comes apart so that you can separate and have nice little trays as well. It's 3 trays, but it's 3 little trays. And since I'm making a mess, I won't take all 3 of them apart. But I'm going to take you over to the desk and show you how they write. So I've been using these acrylic paint markers from Shuttle Art for a few weeks now, and honestly, they've been such a good find. You get 36 colors, and they come in this really pretty clear acrylic case that I showed you. I love that you can see all the shades at a glance, and it has a handle, so it's super easy to carry around. The ink goes on super smooth. It literally feels like butter. They're not overly wet or drippy, and they dry really fast, which I love because I don't have to worry about smudging or waiting around. And they don't bleed through the page, which is huge if you're using thinner sketchbooks or journals. The color selection is great, it's vibrant, and it actually includes a range of skin tones, which isn't always the case with sets like these. So if you're into like rock painting or journaling or coloring in general, these are definitely worth checking out.